Hello guys, today we are looking at a question on expansion, and the question that we are having today is expand 2x plus 3y raised to power 4. So the first thing we need to have here is the knowledge about the Pascal triangle. So the Pascal triangle helps us to expand this question clearly, and we usually come up with the Pascal triangle in this order. So we have 1 here, we say 1 plus 1, 2, then we write 1 there. So we start with 1 plus 2 we get 3, 2 plus 1 we get 3, then 1 there, 1 as usual, then 1 plus 3 we get 4, 3 plus 3 we get 6, then 3 plus 1 we get 4, then our 1. And because our question is up to fourth term, we just leave our Pascal triangle to this term. So these are the terms that we shall be using. So with this one, so we usually pick 2x. Now we start with the term that we are dealing with here. So the first term is 1, then 2x raised to power 4 is 4, then 3y multiplied by 3y raised to power 0 in that order, then plus, so the second term now 4 multiplied by 2x. Here it was raised to power 4, so we raise it to power 3, then we multiply by 3y. It was raised to power 1 added to power 0, so it is now raised to power 1 like that. Then we add the third term is 6. We multiply by 2x. In this case, it was raised to, we started with the raised to power 4, we came to raised to power 3, so it is now raised to power 2 times 3y. So the 3y is also raised to power 2 plus, so the fifth term is 4, 2x is now raised to power, we start with all the way, so it is raised to power 1, while 3y is raised to power 3. It was raised to power 2, so it is raised to power 3. Then we go to the last term, which is 1. This 1, 2x is now raised to power 0. After 1, we go to power 0. Then 3y is raised to power 4 like that. So on evaluating our question, we pick 2 raised to power 4, we get 16. Then x raised to power 4, so we have 16x raised to power 4. 3y raised to power 0 is usually 1, so any number raised to power 0 we get 1, so that one does not have any impact. So we have the second term, we go to the second term, 2 raised to power 3. This 2 raised to power 3 we get 8. Then 8 multiplied by 4 we get 32. Then that 2 multiplied by 3, we find it is 96. So that is 96. So this x is cubed. X is cubed like that. Then y is raised to power 1. Y is raised to power 1. Then we go to the third term. That term is this one. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Then 4 times 6 we get 24. Then 24 times this is 3 squared. So 24 times 9. Let's check. 24 times 9 using your calculator. We find it is 216. 216. So x here is raised to power 2. X there is raised to power 2. Then y is also raised to power 2. Like that. Then you go to our fourth term. Our fourth term is this one. So 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. So that is 8. Then 8 times 3 raised to power 3. That one get 27. 3 cubed we get 27. then you multiply it by 8 times 8, then we get 216. Get 216. Remember, we are in our fourth term, so x is raised to power 1, x is raised to power 1, y is raised to power 3, y is raised to power 3. Then we go to our last term, which is this one. So 2x is raised to power 0. We said any number raised to power 0 is usually 1. So we remain with 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4. Using our calculator, 3 raised to power 4 is 81. So we have 81 y raised to power 4. Y raised to power 4. And therefore, this is the expansion of our question. 2x plus 3y raised to power 4. We get 16x raised to power 4 plus 96x cubed multiplied by y plus 216 x squared y squared plus 216 x raised to power 1 y raised to power 3 plus 81 y raised to power 4. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you comment, you like, subscribe, and share this video to get more and more videos.